We are making a quiche this morning, so I have these little bowls here. We're going to make some mini quiches, but this recipe serves about 6 people, and you can do it in like a big dish and just kind of like serve it that way, or freeze it, whatever, if you want to just have it for yourself, sort of thing. Okay, but we're making mini quiches with it this morning. And basically all we did this morning before this video was just chop everything up and kind of measure everything out. So we are going to get going. We are going to do eggs. So we have 6 eggs because, 6 servings, And we're going to plop some eggs in here. 1 egg. 2 eggs. Ooh. 3 eggs. Now, making this is like a very filling breakfast. So you'll be full after eating this. 4 eggs. 5 eggs. And 1 more egg. And we're gonna whip these up. Oh, I was doing so good, and then I got a shell in that one. Here. We'll get the other ingredients added. So this is like one of our favorite breakfast recipes. It's like really good. Honestly, I never really liked eggs. Never did. Growing up as a kid, just didn't really like eggs. Probably because we just didn't really have eggs in the house. My sister was allergic to eggs, so we didn't exactly have eggs in the house. My mom never made eggs. Even birthday cakes, we had eggless birthday cakes and everything, which is probably how I got so creative with my cooking and baking, is because my sister was, when she was younger, she was allergic to eggs, milk, even like certain fruits and everything. Like she was allergic to a lot of things, peanut butter. Yeah, she had a lot of different allergies, so we got a little creative. But since then, I have like fallen in love with eggs. I eat eggs a lot. I don't know if you watch my stories. I do. I make different omelets and whatnot. We're gonna be doing whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna add that to our eggs. My husband said I was gonna spill it everywhere. I just spilled it on myself. Yeah, win for this morning. This is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. But so we've just started loving eggs and experimenting with eggs. Where's my spoon? So that's how this kind of came about, this recipe here. Okay, so we got 6 eggs in here, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then we're gonna add all our ingredients that we're gonna put in here. So cheddar cheese, we're gonna put that in. Okay, we have a cup of cheddar cheese. A cup. Half a cup? A cup? A cup. I was like, it looks like a cup. Can't be a half cup. It looks like a cup of cheese here. He helps me prepare it, so there's, like, little things. We have 2 cups of spinach, all chopped up nice and finely. Okay, I'm going to put that in. It's your fiber, because fiber is very important, especially when you're doing keto. Okay. Sticking because I got that heavy whipping cream all over me, so it's all sticking to me. Get off. Then we got we have our broccoli now, and that's a cup. 3/4 cup. We chopped a lot of the vegetables here. Okay, and then we have 6 slices of bacon chopped up finely. We have that. We're gonna put that in here. Okay, like it's just chopped up into like little bits. Okay, we're gonna put that in here. Now I'm gonna add something that's not really part of the recipe, but we had a lot of vegetables come off the garden, so we are adding quarter cup of mushroom and a quarter cup of tomato. Now, this is optional. These ingredients aren't optional. Everything else that's in here is, you know, the recipe, okay? And of course, during any of these videos, you want the written recipe, you just put recipe in the comments, and I will send it out to you, okay? So we're gonna add that, and then we're gonna get this stirred, and we're gonna add some spices to it. It's not really all that, you know, fancy spices with this one, but you know, so we're gonna add it. So we'll get this mixed together. Okay, and then we're gonna add the spices, and they'll bring up the bowl. It is yummy, Annie. It's yummy. This just sounds amazing, doesn't it? So there's a pinch of salt because we're keto. We're keto. We need salt. I think having salt in everything for our electrolytes, right? Whenever you cook, get in the habit of that so your electrolytes never go down. And then we're just gonna have a little bit of black pepper in here, just like a little bit of pinch, give us a little bit more flavor to it. Okay, we're gonna mix it all together, and then I'll show you what's in the bowl. After, like right now, currently, I am preheating my oven at 350. Okay, the oven is being preheated at 350. It just buzzed. That's how it reminded me, going, oh, I should probably tell them that. And we're gonna put it in for 35 minutes. Okay, so the big quiche is 35 minutes. These little mini quiches might actually only be about 30 minutes because they're mini. But you're going to put it in for 35 minutes in your oven at 350, okay? So we're going to show you the mixture. You angle me down, cameraman. There you go. It looks delicious. Okay, we're going to put these in our little mini quiches now. Our little mini bowls and make our little mini quiches. You want to just kind of like, for these, just fill it up to the line here, okay? Hey, bye guys!